Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Right, guys. Come on, online. Am I audible to you? Right, guys. Welcome to second session. Tomorrow I'm not taking session. Saturday, no. People also less are there. Online members. Tomorrow enjoyment. Monday we'll meet. Okay? Right. So, in the last session, some definitions I discussed with you. Am I correct? Right. Online members, audio, video, any problem, please ping in the chat box. Everything is okay. Shall I move forward? Good evening, everyone. Thank God. Right. So now I'm moving forward. In the last session, terminologies. What is the last term? May I know it? URL. Okay. So let me recall once again, because some of you guys are newly entered in today's session, maybe 10, 11 members today, new faces. Listen carefully. I think in the previous session, I wrote these definitions. Luckily, they didn't remove that one. Okay. Typing time will be saved. Web. Collection of electronic resources is called web. Electronic resources. What is the meaning of electronic? HTML. Generally, these HTML resources are highly essential. That is the reason I'm saying frequently this word. Without HTML, there is no meaning of the web. The term you need to recognize properly. There is no meaning. We can't say anything. So HTML is highly essential programming. Is it programming means? No. What is that? We'll try to observe. Collection of electronic resources is called web. Father of web is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Father of web is Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who developed in the year of 1989 the web. Right, internet, international network or interconnected network. I'll give you the soft copies to you. Maybe soon we'll create the Google Classroom link and we'll send to you. We'll share with you all the soft copy resources. If you want, you can maintain outlines of the notes, no problem, as physically you are coming and virtual people also, there is no issue. But compared to concentration on your notes writing, concentrate on the subject so that you people are getting correct information. Maybe many of you guys are having different kinds of resources, like, what should I say, different degrees. Maybe in your degrees nowadays, web technology is also one subject nowadays. So already 3-4 years onwards, web technologies, one paper is existed. Right. So what is internet? International network or interconnected network. What is that? Collection of TCP by IP communications protocols. So what exactly the meaning of TCP? What exactly the meaning of IP? TCP, general word, full form everybody knows. But TCP, what representing? connectivity between computers in a network. Means, for example, you can take one LAN, local area network. If you are taking LAN, local area network, in that network, maybe some computers existed, maybe 1, maybe 100, maybe 1,000, it's not the matter how many number existed. One computer connected to another computer with the help of TCP. Next one, IP, connectivity between networks in internet. Means one network connected to another network. Means two local area networks are connected with IP. So IP is between networks. TCP is in a network between systems. So practically come to know it is again big practical environment for the network engineers. Software industry means not only writing for loop, if condition, int, float, char, string, double. Different kinds of jobs are there. Different kinds of environments are there. There is no rule here. Everybody must know for loop. Coding jobs available, non-coding available, management available, different kinds. Please understand the terminology. Right. So IP clear, TCP also clear. Any question from online? Next one, protocol. Collection of rules between sender and receiver. I am sending some messages. You are getting. You are sending some messages. I am getting. These, to be frank, we are calling as rules. I am following rules. Network is giving permission to me. You are following rules. Network is allowing you to send message. So rules mandatory here. Good. Next one, browser. I think in the last session already I spoke to you about this browser. Browser is what? It is client side lightweight software. Correctly understand the terminology. Lightweight software. It takes HTTP request from client to server. It renders HTTP response from server to client. That is what exactly browser. In the last session already explained the browser. If any new member existed, just I'm recalling the terminologies. Every browser following same principle, same architecture. There is no big thing here. But depends on features. Depends on features. Some browsers are having good demand in the market like Google Chrome, because features are making that much capability. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Opera, Torch. There are many available. Many available. Nowadays, there are a big list of browsers are there. Topmost means these are the two. Firefox and Mozilla, Google Chrome. So that is about your browser. In browser level, I use the term HTTP. Commonly full form, everybody knows. What is that exactly the meaning of HTTP? It is a common language between client and server. What client speaks, server can understand. what server speaks, client can understand. This is nothing but HTTP. It is a common language. Always simplified definition. Always. Okay. Right. HTTPS. Maybe nowadays, almost every website maintaining S. I think you can't see without S. S is data encryption purpose we are using. What is encrypting data? What is encrypting data? I'll explain to you. But first we can try to understand. HTTP duty is always communications. It's making an excellent media between client and server. Security communications. Then some of you guys are asking me that, so HTTPS is there means hackers are unable to hack. Are you thinking like that? No, that is not correct. Hacking is different story. Correct or not? Hacking is different one. So S is there, I locked this much, locked to my front door, and no thief will come to attack. They kept hole in the slab. See, it's not the matter of related to hack. It's a matter of our security measurements we are following. It's a measurement, that's it. It's a rule. Nowadays, HTTPS is a rule in the web environment. After that, SSL means secure sockets layer. Good. Next one, URN, URI, URL. So N is representing name, I is representing identifier, L is representing locator. L is representing locator. Uniform resource locator. It is a unique address to identify a person or an organization in the World Wide Web. What that one? In the World Wide Web. So we people need to understand this simple definition. It is a unique address. Is it possible two URLs duplication? Two nareshit.com websites are there? Possible? Possible? Duplication not possible. Two google.coms are there? No. Because IP address never overlapped. These services, this internal mechanism, that much time is not there. You are not network engineers. But if you go inside, network is again a bigger topic. How data moving, what is a packet, how it is dividing, which packet is receiving first, the packet, what kind of formatted data available. These are the completed in detail one. There is a different network engineer story, that one. Right. After that, I give an example for one URL. What that one? HTTPS nareshit.com. That URL explained in detailed manner. Almost completely you are understanding that. What that one? HTTP, common language. Yes is nothing but SSL. : // is nothing but delimiters. And www is nothing but default domain. Dot is nothing but period. Nareshit is nothing but primary level domain. Com is nothing but top level domain. First top level domain com only. Later number of entered. .in, .net, .gov, .co, .us. Nowadays, number of dot market, dot hospitals, dot hospitality, number of, but first top level domain is com. Generally, com means commercial oriented websites. But of course, nowadays, other domains also they're saying that one. Come on, online team. Are you getting my words? Shall I move forward? Ping your message in the chat box. Audio, video, everything clear? Right. Next one. W3C. World Wide Web Consortium. What is the meaning of that? It is an organization to maintain web standards. It is an organization to maintain web standards. What kind of web standards? Definitely rules available. Web means not simply anybody can do anything. No. There are the several rules need to maintain that. That is simple, I can say W3C. It is an organization to maintain web standards. Next, I came to mailing services. Online mail communications, offline mail communications. I don't know how many of you guys heard that. What is online? What is offline? Maybe some of you guys are understanding maybe online means internet connectivity required. Offline means internet connectivity doesn't require. Like that, maybe you are estimating, but that is not correct. Every time to send any kind of mails, internet connectivity compulsory. But how that is? How that is only the matter here. So offline level, I'll explain to you. First, online level, we can see. What that one? Webmail we are calling or email we are calling. What is the meaning of email? A mail between electronic devices. That is the reason we are calling email. That is only we are calling webmail. The first webmail concept implemented by Sabir Bhatia and Jack Smith, an American computer programmer. But actually we are taking Sabir Bhatia because his involvement 90%. Good. So what are examples for online mail communications? I provided. There are the many. There are many. So nowadays, maximum people, 95% people, Gmail services they're using. Because comfortable and compatible to all Google related services. Because they're accepting. But whenever you are going to create a mail, my suggestion for you, create with your surname and with your name. Official mail IDs. Whenever you are going to use for your resume preparation purpose, then you can use surname, your name. Not creating your name, surname. Not creating your name, date of birth. Not creating surname, date of birth. Not creating surname, your name, date of birth, qualification. These are all our official mail IDs. You love me, I love you, like this, don't create the mail IDs. That is not official purpose. Many people doesn't have some resumes you can see. Something Ramna 143@gmail.com. What 143, 147? Online people listening comedy jokes. We don't want. Be professional. Be stronger. In your area, you can strong. That's it. Create the mail ID for a professional environment purpose. So this is online mail system. Of course, you are the masters in this area because already you are using. What about offline communications? Online mail communications, how they are communicating again? For example, yesterday I discussed this point? No? Discussed? No. Right. So how they are communicating? For example, I'm having a Gmail ID. You people, some of you guys having Gmail. Maybe some of you are having Hotmail. Maybe some of you are having some Yahoo. Maybe some of you guys AOL. Some of you guys some Auto Express. So different kinds of mail domains available. As a Gmail user, if I want to communicate with you, there is something required service because Gmail easily communicate. Yahoo easily communicate because homogeneous connection is there. Okay, when we are coming to heterogeneous connectivity, we require somebody help. That time we are taking SMTP. SMTP, cross mail domain communications. Any mail domain can able to communicate with any mail domain. Cross mail domain communications. This is a very simple word. I hope you people are getting the terms clearly. Good. Yes, mine. What exactly the meaning of mine? Full forms, you know, no? I'm not asking full form anything. You don't, SMTP full form, you know, no? Tell me what is a full form SMTP? Come on. Don't sleep, my dears. Be active. First, sit freely. Sit freely first. Occupy the complete chair. See how I'm sitting. Online 200 members, offline 150, 350 members are there. I'm sitting. See how? Sit. Sit first freely, happily sit. Some people are, what? Why? Anybody beating you? But graduates, my postgraduates who are. Occupy completely, sit freely. Enjoy the life. Technology second. First, enjoy the life. A laugh is a smiley face can do anything. Remember that. Don't be serious about life. Today available, thank God. Tomorrow not available, double thank. That's it. What is a life? Don't make life is not that much serious. Who knows tomorrow available? Any guarantee? We are sleeping night time. Tomorrow morning woke up, good morning. Otherwise, very good morning. Two things only. No negative, no bad morning. Good or very good. Sit freely, happily, enjoy the session. Don't use smartphone, use your smart brain. Your parents given, God given smart brain, use. Thank to parents and God. Some people are tension. In your colleges, maybe that is habit, HOD, D incoming. If you are giving smile, they also smile. Okay, right. So SMTP, clear for you. Now mine. No, online people enjoying. I forgot you people. I'm speaking only with online people. Right. SMTP means you got an idea. Cross mail domain communications. Respect means not in sitting style. Expect not visible. It will be here. That is not respect. that never visible to anybody. That is our inside. Wherever you are, that automatically will come. That's it. Okay. Right. MIME, multi-purpose internet mail extensions. What is exactly MIME here? For example, you want to send one video file. You want to send one video file from you to your friend. Yes. Some audio file you want to receive. Some image file you want to send. Who is helping now? MIME is helping. MIME is permitting you to send different kinds of attachments over one mail ID to another mail ID. This is what simplicity is. This is what exactly meaning of MIME. Hope you guys are getting the things. Okay, good. Offline mail communications. What exactly that? How it is functioning? If I'm going to interact about offline mail communications, a lot of things will come into reality. Internet connectivity here also required, but these are post office protocol services. Here, POP3 services also very popular. What is a POP3 services? How these are functioning? At the same time, you need to understand 2 points here, post office protocol level. Microsoft Outlook Express, Mozilla Thunderbird. Of course, there are many available. I'm giving these 2 popular. These are offline. Why you said offline, sir? Is there any reason behind that? Every time internet connectivity is not compulsory. Officially, for example, what should I say? You joined, you got a job. You got a job, my dear. You joined in a company. Then you are getting one mail ID. Maybe your name @companyname.com. That is official mail ID. That official mail ID is only for company related or company environment related, only we are using that purpose. If anybody asks your mail ID, you are not sharing company mail ID. You are sharing some Gmail or some Yahoo mail. Why you are not sharing? It is a limited space. Whenever they are assigning mail ID to you and admin giving, saying, Raju, I assign to you only 2 GB space. Use in the limited purpose. Bulk mails, junk mails are not accepted here. So we are using like that only that environment. So these are locally one server configured in that company environment. They are maintaining and through POP3 services. Through POP3 services. So almost all companies environment level using services POP3 in the real-time industry. Gmail, Amail, Umail not available there. Not available there. Only you are having POP3 services. The local configured server. So how this is working, maybe definitely any chance is there. I'll try to configure and I'll show you. If, because that is not our subject matter here. There is a networking related completely. Next one, network. Maybe everybody knows. So almost my definitions maybe a little bit differently existed. I said starting only. Maybe class 2, class my tutorials also, notes also differently available, because that time whatever the definition coming, technically I'm selecting, I'm writing, that's it. This definition only should come, like the rule is not there. Your experience different, my experience different. Finally, everybody giving that technical subject only. So understand the term here, network. Collection of Actually, if you want to add more powerful, collection of computers, interlinked together, collection of computers interlinked together to exchange resources each other. Collection of computers interlinked together to exchange resources each other. What kind of resources? Whatever they require. You want to some text? Send. You want to some a picture? Send. You want to send some emoji? Yes, possible. You can do that. So depends. That's it. Collection of computers interlinked together to exchange resources each other. First network is ARPANET. Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ARPANET. This network developed between two computers. In this network, user protocol is FTP. File Transfer Program. Later program renamed as protocol. Remember the words. Online guys, are you getting words? If you are sitting in front of the Google, you are typing, lot of definitions will come. But my practical information, my practical experience, I'm giving the terminologies to you. Are you okay? Praveen? Right. So, collection of computers interlinked together. So, this network developed between two computers. First network developed between how many? Two computers. So, that is a simplified thing. In this network, used protocol FTP. So, what is the meaning of protocol already given to you? Protocol is collection of rules between sender and receiver. In the interview panel also, your confident will do off interview. Remember, your tension will do full interview. Full interview completed. Don't be tension. If not that company, another company. Not that one, another one. Maybe Microsoft waiting for you. Who knows? Think positively. Never. Never bound. If this is not, next one. Getting hope, better. Not getting, read Wings of Fire daily. One page. You will get hope. You know the book? Daily one page. You are not getting sleep? Read. Automatically get sleep. Okay. So motivate you people. Not motivation, inspire. Come on, next one. Web page. Generally, you are observing nowadays, everything is what? Pages only. Page, page, page. What that one? Page. Web page. Web pages. Web page is nothing but electronic page developed in HTML. First web page developed by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, father of web, founder of W3C, father of HTML, who developed this beautiful markup language, Tim Berners-Lee. So, it's really wonder. There is a reason in the last session I spoke that HTML having some specialities, but two unique specialities are there in HTML. What is the first unique? There is no substitute. C is not there, plus plus is there. Is there or not? Plus plus is not there, Java is there. Java is there, no problem. Not there, Python is there. Python is not there, no problem. Julia is there. Anybody heard the name? Julia. You didn't hear? Why, my dears? Facebook and WhatsApp only tying completely. Julia. Super programming language. Visualization purpose, nowadays it is doing wonders. So one technology is not there. There is another technology is there. If HTML is not there, question? After the class, you can ask your friends, no problem. Online people, you can Google. HTML is not there. What? What is the substitute? Impossible. Hypertext markup language. So try to remember, this is one specialty, unique specialty. How many specialties are there? Uniqueness? 2. One uniqueness is what? HTML unique, no substitution. No other solution. What is the second one? HTML is error-free technology. No syntax error, no semantic error, no logical error, no runtime error, no compile time error, no int, no float, no char, no string, no double, no curly bracket, no open, no close, no double quotation, no semicolon, no class, no import, no package, no method, no function, no class, no object, no inheritance, no abstraction, no headache, no tension, no BP, no sugar. Healthy person, wealthy person. Healthy programmer, wealthy programmer. Come on, online students, any emojis? Completely free. These are the 2 unique points about HTML. What that one? No substitute and error free. No problem. You can try it. You can try in your Google. Ask your Google mother. How Google mother came? From HTML father. Google is the mother means how it is. What is the birthplace? Where is the birthplace? HTML. So try to understand. Your online friends are giving emojis. Anybody giving? Right. Now we are entering. Your offline friends are enjoying, my dears, your emojis. Web page, electronic page. First web page developed by Sir T. Berners-Lee. Types of web pages. 2 types. Static web pages, dynamic web pages. I don't know how many of you guys heard the name of static, dynamic. I don't know that. Maybe you heard. Static, dynamic. What is that? Static level. What is dynamic level? Static resources means generally we are calling HTML, CSS. How, sir, HTML is static? How CSS is static? There is no programming. In HTML level, there is no programming, you know that? No programming, no, nothing concept. Variable declaration, I said, no, just now, variable declaration, data types, semicolons. All these problems are not there. Headache is not there here. Writing, browser understood, output will come. Browser not understood, blank output will come. But you can't get anything. Sir, sometimes we are getting errors, no, sir. 404, page not found. 501, internal server error. 502, gateway currently unable to respond. 291, redirection not possible. 109, information problem. 999, out of coverage area. 999 is not there. How you are going to remember all these error messages? Who will remember? You remember? No, sir. That is my duty. For your purpose, we need to remember. We can't do anything. But why you remember? Go to Google and type. It will come. Serious preparation only to cross the interview gateway. Once interview gateway completed, open the Google, copy, paste. What? You don't know anything, my dears. Come on, online people. Emojis. What you are thinking seriously that much? Who will remember A plus B whole square formula? You will remember? How many years? Try to use properly Google. You will be number one program in the world. Try to use. How to use learn. Google how to use. I'm thinking actually to start one new course. How to use Google. Anything. Only 1 month course. Tips and tricks. Searching in the Google also, you know, one kind of art. Come on, I will search same keyword. You can search same keyword. We'll see result. Art. It is an art. So try to understand. Don't be that much. Okay. Study, but until interview panel. Because they also knows, no? Very simply. Those people also where they learn? They learn from Google only. So you guys need to understand the points there. Very simple. They are also from there only. For that, they need to ask some questions. Those questions they are copying from. Okay, right. So understand the things perfectly here and you try to get it the things. Types of web pages, static, dynamic. No programming area, programming area. Static, dynamic. So dynamic web pages level, nowadays number of are there. For all these things, JavaScript is the heart. JavaScript is the heartbeat. What is JavaScript? It is a language for modern web. What is a JavaScript? It is a language for modern web. Please remember. Most important. Any kind of technology you learn. Any kind of technology. But finally, what people will ask if you are going to sit in the interview panel after 2-3 questions, do you know JavaScript? Don't know, learn and come. No, I'm the father of Java. You are mother of the Java also, no problem. Learn first JavaScript and come. Why? JavaScript duty client side very important. But is really real time using means in the real time industry JavaScript we are using? No, Angular. But why we need to learn? Angular developed on JavaScript. Some people are asking me in classes, in the previous session also somebody asked me, sir, after your sessions, which one I need to learn better? Angular or React? And a couple of students asked me, whichever you like, you can learn. But your suggestion, sir, currently React is good. More good, sir. Node.js, excellent. Ultimate. You heard the name, Node.js? Server-side JavaScript, SSJS. What is a Node.js specialty? Single-threaded technology. What is that one, sir? Later we'll see. If I explain tomorrow, you won't come to class. We don't want now. Single threaded, multi-threaded, no threaded. All these are different. Right, online guys. Are you okay? Shall I move forward? Website. Collection of web pages is called a website. There are two types of websites available. One is static website. Another one is dynamic website. What exactly the meaning of that? 1 second, everybody. Right. Static and dynamic. It is a collection of client-side resources. See, previous definition, my current definition, both are different is there. Both are different is there. So you people need to get it the words. Client side, server side. So collection of web pages, static websites, dynamic website. Dynamic means client side resources, server side resources. And static means only client side. So what are the majorly client side technologies? Those are majorly client side technologies. I think already my videos are there. For fundamentals purpose, you can try to watch my videos. You are getting a lot of information. Only fundamentals, completely not available. So completely when you will upload, sir, we never upload. If uploading, who are coming to classes? Who will pay? How can I survive? Correct or not? Magic, money. Magic money. What you are doing, my dears? You are writing logic. Logic can do magic. Magic giving money. That is only software industry. Online people. Sir, you are making more comedy. Correct? Correct, my dears. Logic, magic, money. Only three terms. How logic we can build? Based on maths. Right? Without mathematics, one logic LC. Father of Java, you can bring. Mother of Python, you can bring. No problem. Make them sit. Maths is not there, right? On logic. So who is the constructor of logic? Mathematics. So, right. Introduction to HTML. Slowly we are entering into destination point. Introduction to HTML. What is that, first of all? Hypertext markup language. Good. Almost everybody knows full form. But what is the meaning of hypertext? Already I wrote here. Specially designed for web browsers. Specially designed for web browsers. Markup language. Special English language with the following notations. Left angular, right angular. Don't say less than, greater than. My dear mathematicians. Your maths don't use here. Okay. No, sir. I am mathematics. Diamond medal, sir, is there means happily go to machine learning. You heard the name? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that provides the ability to computers without being external programming. That's it. Solid. You are making a machine to learn through maths. But here don't use. This is greater than, sir. This is less than, sir. Don't use here. What this one? Left angular, right angular. Left angular, open, right angular, close. In between, whatever English writing, that is called tag. That is called tag. That is only syntax I provided. Online guys, are you there? Give me signal. Thank you. Yes, what is that? For whom? To learn HTML. What required? Nothing required. Nothing required. You are only required. That's it. C required, C++ required, Java required, Python required, C required, nothing required. Only requirement is you are. Only you are. Sir, which software I need to install? No need to install anything. Notepad, enough. More than enough. Notepad plus smart brain. These two are investments. No need to install anything. Okay, don't install also. Then immediately online people are asking me, sir, VS Code available, WebStorm available, Notepad++ available, Edit++ available, that one available, this one available. My friend said this one. Lot of questions will come. Doubts, no? Life means a couple of doubts only. All will come ideas. Don't worry. No technical experience. Easy to understand. As a 7th class, 6th class students also creating web pages nowadays. 5th class. If they are understanding, you can't. More than that. Simple. Simple to design. Syntax free tags. What is syntax free, sir? Now syntax is shown upper. Again, you are writing here syntax free. Means like programming languages we no need to follow. For example, one Java is there. You want to write print welcome to Java. Come on, start. Import, class, class name, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, public, static, void, main, string, args, bracket, parenthesis, open curly bracket, close, system, S capital, dot, out dot, println, double quote, parenthesis open, double quotation, right, welcome to Java, double quotation close, parenthesis close, semicolon close. Now James Gosling understand. Okay, welcome to Java. Come on, emojis, online people. But your Python, sorry, your HTML is not like that. Your friends. No syntax here. Right. Now I'm entering. So limitations of HTML. What are the major limitations? Security is not there. Because security is not the matter of client side, no. First of all, if you are thinking, security is not client side. So security level things later we can see that. Next one, lengthy coding. Correct, HTML lengthy coding. Open HTML, close HTML, head open, head close, body open, body close, you open, you close, me open, me close, friend open, friend close. Correct or not? G open, G close, boyfriend open, boyfriend close. Everybody closed now. Open should be closed. So automatically what happened? Code will be too much lengthy. Then no reusability. Why? No class, no function, no method, no inheritance. Then what is reusability available? Reusability concept is not there. Single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance. This headache is not there here. Interface not possible, class not possible. Okay, right. Next one. As per W3C standard, HTML document structure is there here. What that one? Yes, that is the HTML document structure as per W3C standard. So doc type HTML, HTML lang, header section close, body section open close. So every open there is a close available. But a tag means what? How many types of tags available? Where we need to use which kind of tag? Slowly I'm taking to programming area from Monday. Already I said no, Saturday, enjoy. Sunday also enjoy. Generally, Saturday also sessions available. Sunday not available. Sunday I don't want to disturb you. Sometimes Saturday also I don't want to disturb. Monday to Friday I'll disturb. Okay. Online guys, are you understanding? You are not enjoying my days, enjoying. People are laughing continuously. What is in India? What is in English? What is language? This website is completely for Indian language rules, Indian English language rules. The meaning is that. Understood? Jueria. Right. So all these words available here. So you open, you need to close. So these are the resources available. All these words, these complete information I am going to put in the Google Classroom. Maybe today or tomorrow my technical people will create and they'll share to me. Okay, I'll put in the Google Classroom. Don't worry about the soft copy online people. Never worry about the tutorials. I'll give free of cost. Lot of tutorials waiting for you. Don't worry. Worry about technology or understanding or not. Right? Online and offline, everybody okay? What terminologies I discussed today? Shall we recall? Come on, come up. What is the first term I discussed in today's session? Web. What is web? Collection of electronic resources is called web. Very good. The next one. What is the next one? Internet, international network or interconnected network or collection of TCP by IP communications protocols. Very good. What is TCP? Connectivity between computers in a intranet. Connectivity between networks in internet is called IP. Next one, what is a protocol? Collection of rules between sender and receiver. Next one, browser. What is that? It is a client-side lightweight software. It takes HTTP request from client to server and it renders HTTP response from server to client. This is what browser can do. What is client? Where browser installed, that is client. Online guys. In your system, browser is there. Not there, how you logged in my meeting? Through app I logged in, sir. That app, how you downloaded? Through App Store. That one, how do you download it? Without browser, nothing, my dear. The starting point for web is browser. The end point of the web is browser. In between, web. In between, web. That is next one. HTTP. What is HTTP? Common language between client and server. Excellent. What is HTTP? Yes meaning? Secure sockets layer. Excellent. Then URL, different names available. What are that one? URN, URI, URL. What is that one? Unique address to identify a person or organization in the World Wide Web. Super. The next one, give an example to you. What are the main factors? So every word you understood very clearly. Then I came to W3C. It is an organization to maintain web standards. Then webmail or email. How many types of mail communications? 2 types available. What are that one? Online, offline. What is online meaning? What is online meaning? All webmails are comes under online communications. Who developed first webmail? Mr. Sabir Bhatia and Jack Smith. What is the first mail services? Hotmail.com. Next one, mail services SMTP. What that one? Cross mail domain communications. What is the meaning of MIME? Different kinds of attachments we can send one mail domain to other. Offline is nothing but POP mail services called post office protocol services. Then network. Network means what? Collection of computers interlinked together to exchange resources each other. What is the first network name? What is the full form? Very good. First network between which protocol we used? FTP. Initially what we are calling? File transfer program. Later program renamed as protocol. Then we entered into web page. Web page popularly known as electronic page. It is developed on HTML. How many types of web pages? Static web pages, dynamic web pages. What is website? Collection of web pages. How many types? 2 types. What are that one? Static website, dynamic website. Then we entered into HTML. HTML, hypertext markup language. What is the meaning of hypertext? Designed for web browsers. Markup language, English language within following. What that one? Left angular bracket, right angular. Okay. In the next session, we'll see development on Monday. Thank you. Happy weekend. Bye. Thank you, online guys. Thank you. Thank you. What is ultimate JS framework to learn? Angular you can learn, my dear. Asif Sheikh, Angular you can learn. Django. Take some time. Next month. Delimiter is giving a meaning between alphabets and what we can say special characters. Course duration 2 months. Deepak Singh. Okay. Okay. After these, you can learn Angular or React. Best. Good results. CSS 3. Can I learn both Angular and Node? Yeah, you can learn. First Angular you can learn, next Node you can learn. Padmesh. Nani. Hmm. Thank you. Bye, online people. Yes, Sheikh, correct.